Welcome to another Photoshop tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do glowing stroke lines, and we're going to be using the pen tool today. And if you're needing any help understanding how to use the pen tool, you can check out some of my other tutorials. But first of all, we're just going to build a wavy line in the middle of our picture. There we go. That should be okay. Let's check that out. Now I want to just move it into the middle, so I'm just going to right click and free transform path and move that into the middle and just apply that. So we're going to first come to now the brush tool, and if you come up to the top section here, and there's also a little button there. Now this brings you up the brush tool. Now this is where you want to come in to play with your settings a bit. So I'm going to come in here and choose this wavy line here. Now if you come into brush, you can change that around a bit and play around with it in here. Just adjust it slightly and just give it a bit more of the type of setting that you might be after. So let's just play around with that and just see what we can come up with. Yeah, that gives us quite a nice effect there. So let's go for that one. So I'm just going to close that down now, and I'm going to click back on the pen tool and just right click now on the shape and go to stroke path, and this will bring you up a dialog box option, and if you select brush and simulate pressure and click OK, there we go, we get a nice effect there. Yeah, we get a nice effect there. And I'm just going to now just use the pen tool again. Just right click, free transform path, and just move the pattern down a little bit. Apply that. Change the colour a bit. And come back to the pen tool and just right click and stroke path again. And there we go, get the same effect happening. And let's just do another colour as well. Move that down there a bit more. And let's now just take a nice bright yellow. So the same again, pen tool, right click and stroke path, and OK that. So there we go, there we've got our pattern there. Now if you're wanting to use your pen tool vector, you can change it around a bit, adjust it and move it here as well. And what we can do is let's actually put it there. Let's crisscross our wavy line. There we go, that looks okay. So I'm just going to come back and do a different type of brush here. So I'm going to come into the brush again, the brush tool, click the presets, and this time I'm going to look for a different type of brush. Let's take this one. This one looks quite good. A medium stiff brush. And I'm going to come into the brush tool and just have a little play around with the settings and just see what we can find in there. Let's see, thickness. Yeah, that looks okay. We're going to just keep it roughly at the same, but there's a lot of other options you can play around with in here as well. So we'll just close that down there just now, and let's say I want to increase the size as well. Let's just push the size up a bit. Just go up to 60 there. Now I'm going to change the colour, and let's see, let's add a nice dark green there just to really highlight it, and then come down to the pen tool and right click and stroke path and click OK there, and there we go. Ooh. So yeah, there's what you can do if you want to play around with the pen tool and use that effect. And as you can see, you get some nice effects there as well. And once you're done, you can delete your vectors from the pen tool, and there we go. Hope you like that and give it a shot.